Pretty bird. Say hi, pretty bird flock. Waiting across the street. All right, guys. Go, go. Go, 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 go. Go quick, quick. Look at her go. She's like, yes, grass field. Look at all that food. I'm coming. How is everybody doing today? I hope everyone is still healthy, happy, having a good time at home. Pretty bird. You coming? Come on. Quick, 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 quick. Remember, like I said, sweetie, just pick it up in the front a little bit. Like this? Yeah, like that. That makes it easier, right? Come on, pretty bird. Yay! Look at all that. Oh, that's beautiful. Let's go and get in the sun. Huh, pretty, pretty. Are you coming? Pretty bird. Here you are. There's that big goose, goose. Oh, there you go. Nothing better in the world, huh, pretty, pretty? She's like, why won't we keep going to go to the playground? That's where we usually go. What's going on? Big bird! Cuckoo! Cuckoo! What's up, sweetheart? In a minute, okay? What are you doing, pretty bird? Pretty bird! She's like, I want this off. She did it! There you go! Now you guys know what you think of that bandana. No, that was good. That was funny. Pretty bird! What happened? What happened? You don't like it? You don't like the bandana? No? Pretty bird don't like the bandana. It's okay. That's okay. Hey guys. Yeah. Since we lost the last video, you guys want to show them how Pretty Bird runs with us one more time? Yeah. Go ahead and take those jackets off your waists. Good. I don't think we need them yet. Tight. Sorry. Alrighty guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to run with Pretty Bird. I apologize if this part is going to get a little bit shaky, okay? But just bear with us, enjoy it, and have fun, okay? Pretty Bird, are you ready? Alright guys, get ready. Get set. Let's go! Pretty, 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 pretty! Go, 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 go! Come on, baby! Go, go, go! Pretty Bird! Are you coming? Come on! Yay! Come on, guys! Stop! Yay! Pretty bird! Yay! Call her, guys. What's up? Yep, some people are playing soccer over there. It's a nice thing about having a nice big field. We can all stay apart, yet not feel alone. Right, Pretty Bird? Pretty Bird! No. Are you coming? Come on.
The good part about the constructors of like the playgrounds and stuff.
Come on, guys.
That people are not allowed on it today.
Oh yeah, right now we're not, but we will in the future. Are you coming?
Meaning that they
go,
can
go, go.
maybe like, maybe they can work on it more.
Yeah. Go, go, go. It's not construction, sweetheart. It's because of the virus.
Huh?
It's because of the virus. When a bunch of kids are playing on a playground, are you guys close together or far apart?
Far apart.
What? When you're playing on the playground with each other, are you? I know. So we're close together, right? At the playground?
Yeah.
That is the problem. Alrighty, guys. Now that we've caught our breath, You guys want to go one more time and run back to our stuff?
Yep.
Yeah?
We need a few more seconds.
I know. We keep doing this stuff.
Okay.
Alrighty. Pretty bird, are you ready? Pretty bird won't go quick. Pretty bird won't go quick. Now remember, you guys, all of you everybody's got to call Pretty Bird to run with us, okay? Are you coming? All right, go, 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 go. Quick, 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 quick. Quick, 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 quick. Go, 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 go. Go, baby. Go, Pretty Bird. Yay. Oh, pretty good girl. You did so good. Yes, you did so good, baby girl. You did so good. Yeah. You know, using your wings, that's cheating. We should have a race between you and George, huh? Pet Goose George? Yeah. Whenever we meet up, maybe one day, we'll meet Pet Goose George and Bob if we ever can. And if we ever do that, and if you guys get along, we should do a race. What do you think, Pretty Bird? What? Oh, pretty girl. Do you want some water? Pretty, want some water? You want num-nums? Oh, pretty. Check it out, guys.
Yeah.
Right here. See all those dark feathers right there?
Yeah.
Okay, those are all brand new feathers. And Pretty Bird actually likes it when you scratch that area a little bit, but only sideways, not against. Not always, just sometimes she likes it. What is it, baby? Yeah? Oh, honey.
You know, I
Cuckoo?
kind of miss catching snails.
Catching snails?
Yeah.
Man, are you sure you're fast enough?
Not really.
Pretty Bird, are you coming?
Usually I don't get them because I'm not fast enough.
Ha ha ha. Pretty Bird. Alright, now I gotta go into my supply bag, my giant backpack, where I have a lot of water and, you know, for everyone. Pretty Bird, are you coming? You want num-nums? Pretty Bird want num-nums? Get Pretty Bird's water ready. Open this up. Pretty Bird, are you coming? Pretty Bird, are you coming? Coo, coo, coo. Ooh, nom, nom, nom. Oh, yeah, she knows what this is. Pretty Bird, you coming? Are you coming? Ooh, nom, noms. Oh, nom, nom. You gonna get it? Keep in mind, this water is not flavored water. This is a cleaned out bottle that I use to transport her water. I wanted to say thank you for the kind comments on the last video. I really appreciate it. I know the quality wasn't that great. It was super windy when we made that video, and we had just recorded this great video. It was beautiful like today. We had a beautiful video, and apparently my phone ran out of memory and it did not store the video, so we lost this like great video that I was actually really proud of. It was a really nice video. And then so we just wanted to make a quick video because we were about to go home because the sun was going down. And then of course the thunderstorm got really close, and so it got super windy and super cold. So we tried to just kind of rush through it, which is why the volume got really kind of not very good. Ah, she thinks you're going to eat with her. Yeah, take that away. Is it trash?
No.
Just a plant?
I.
Something like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like a.
Yeah.
Dead flower.
Here, sweetie, how about you hold the phone real quick and record Pretty Bird. Careful. so I can open up this bag. Now remember, Pretty Bird does not like the ball. Okay? So no getting that ball anywhere near her. Right, Pretty Bird? You want to record for a second? Huh? Boots. You want to record for just a second?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so nice. Pretty Bird, come to Mama. Oh, the baby. My Pretty Bird baby. Hi. Yeah, I know. I know Mama loves you. Here. Hi, baby. Hi. Look, all your friends are watching you through the camera. She's like, I didn't listen to that. Oh, baby.
I really like this frisbee because you can draw on it.
You want to go? She's like, stop it, Mom. Stop it. I don't want to. She's just like all the other kids. She's like, I don't want to. She's my sweet goose. Oh, you going to go get Justin? Quick, go get him. Go get him. Go get him. What are they doing?
Hi.
She's like, wait, you got a frisbee? That's scary. Run away. Oh, Pretty Bird. You're so pretty. Go. Anyways, guys, let's see. Let's see if I can remember what we told y'all in the last video. Yeah, about the last video when I told you guys about Pikachu who flew on Daddy's head. Well, actually, that was part of the story where, for anybody who didn't watch the last video, Pikachu, our cockatiel, which you can see videos of him in our albums. And basically, my daughter just said that she thinks she may have seen a goose fly overhead somewhere. So, anyway, so basically our cockatiel had flown all the way from our bedroom into the bathroom and landed on my husband's head. Our birds are very obsessed with Daddy, with my husband. He is a 100% disabled veteran, and he does deal with chronic severe pain amongst, many other things, severe PTSD and things like that. And so, hold on, I've got my eyes on two dogs right now. And they're on leashes, so we're good. But basically, wait, 3 dogs. What's going on? We got a dog meeting going on? Are we in a dog park? Huh, Pitbird? Come here, stay with Mama, just in case. Just in case. Good girl. Oh my goodness, that puppy's got a little, guys, look, I think he's got like a little crown or something on his head. Bunny ears. Somebody put bunny ears on a puppy. Is that why you're confused? Are you confused? But anyway, so Pretty Bird actually did something similar. Now, of course, she didn't fly through our bedroom into the bathroom. That would be a little difficult with those giant wings. But she actually did jump out of her enclosure, which is not easy to do. She jumped / fly, like they use their wings to jump really high. She jumped out of her enclosure and she ran into the bathroom while, again, my husband was trying to use the restroom. This happened within 2 days of each other. So one day you've got one bird landing on your head. The next day you've got a goose yelling at you and popping up out of nowhere around the corner, all worried and stuff, trying to get your attention to make sure you're okay. Now, we believe this has to do with the animal's intuition. He does deal with a lot of pain, and on those days particularly, he was dealing with some really bad pain. So we think that there's a possibility that there may have been a connection to that they were trying to make sure he was okay. I don't know if I've mentioned this before in other videos, I may have, but it's still a fun fact. So geese, when they fly in flocks, so Canada geese specifically is who I know this about. I'm not sure if all geese do this, but Canada geese, see, she doesn't like that frisbee. Don't throw it over here, sweetie. Y'all see that? She just hissed at the frisbee. Anyways, but basically Canada geese will actually, if a goose is shot or becomes too weak and falls out of formation and starts descending out of the sky while they're migrating or simply just flying around with their flock, which I'm sure you all have seen that V formation in the sky. They do that for a very particular reason. They actually create a upwind from their wings. So actually the goose in the front works the hardest, while the geese in the back actually work less to fly and stay in the air because they're getting that like push up from the sky, from the wind, from the other geese's wings. So with these Canada geese, if somebody falls out of the formation, is too weak, injured, whatever happens, there are actually two geese will break out of formation and go down with that goose. They will land with that goose or wherever that goose crashed, and then they will remain with that goose until either the goose has recovered or the goose is has passed away if it was injured, or they will remain with that goose until there is another reason why they feel they absolutely have to leave. And usually that can be up to a couple of days before they then will attach either to another flock for migration or start migrating towards another direction. She's scared of the frisbee, sweetie. Please stay away from her. We don't want to scare her. But I'm trying to emphasize the fact that geese are very, very, very tuned into wanting to look out for the members of their flocks. And they get really concerned about it. And geese are also known to be amazing parents, and they also do sometimes kidnap other waterfowl's babies, or even like other geese's babies, because they want to take care of them themselves. Kind of like, look, I'm the best mom in the world. I'm the best dad in the world. You're not going to be able to protect your kid as good as I am, so I'm going to take the baby. Or that they just, think they're so cute they can't help themselves. I mean, come on. Y'all have seen Pretty Bird's baby pictures. If you go back a little bit on the picture where, on the video titled, I think it's something like Pretty Bird has a surprise, or a surprise from Pretty Bird, you guys will actually be able to see her baby pictures. Just a couple of them. Anyway, I thought it was such a sweet fact about geese, and something that we humans, especially in these difficult times, can learn from. I mean, we have two geese sacrificing the safety of an entire flock that will go down with the injured goose or with the tired goose or malnourished goose, whatever the scenario is. And they will stay with them and they will help them recover as good as they can. And just as like that, with couples, the male goose will defend his female with his life while she's incubating those eggs. And what I'm trying to emphasize here is that, right now we find so many states and so many areas, we are still finding that people are, out and about mingling with other people. And I don't know if you noticed, but this is not what we're doing. We're very separate from everyone, several hundreds of yards in every direction. We're only hanging out with each other. So my husband, myself, and my two children, we are not letting any children come over. The children are not allowed to play with their friends right now. Well, not in person anyways. Where are you going? Oh, pretty. I love it when the sun shines like that. Look at that, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that view. My goodness, you beautiful, beautiful baby. You're so pretty. Anyways, but I feel like it's a good lesson to learn about how geese will sacrifice things to do things for others within their flock. And just like they do, we can sacrifice our convenience. People that have, people who have great immune systems, who are not at high risk, can sacrifice for others whom they care about, or even just simply people that just exist around us, because every life counts to someone, even if it doesn't count to you. And we can do this for them, sacrifice some of our time, some of our life, just, a little while, a couple weeks, a couple of months, stay home, go out only if absolutely necessary, stay away from people, don't interact with people so much, only when absolutely necessary. And I mean, you won't know it, but you'll actually be saving these lives, which, you know, it's really not that ginormous of an, you know, sacrifice. It just seems like, in my opinion, in some ways, it's kind of like, you know, whenever we're always out and about and everything, we kind of wish we would just have one day that we could just stay home, not do anything, and like relax. And now that we have it, where we can stay home, spend time with our kids, get to know them better, you know, stay home with the husband, have those movie nights without having to get up at 6 a.m. in the morning, get ready for work, you know. And but now, because it's like a rule or like kind of forced upon us, or it's caused from fear, it's become this negative thing. And what I teach my son a lot, who is autistic and who is very much a factual person, but also tends to see a lot of things negatively. Like, he notices, like, for an example, a lot of bad in the world and doesn't understand, you know, like, why is all that bad there? Why is all that bad there, you know? And so I tell him always that the glass never changes. It is always going to be half. But it is really up to us to see whether or not it is half full or half empty. And viewing the situation and trying to find the positive, the opportunities, the things we didn't get to do. I mean, when was the last time you painted a picture using acrylic art or oil painting? You know, pull out that sewing machine. How long has it been since you've, you know, had time to take time for your hobbies? You know, how long has it been since you've gotten to teach your animals some tricks? You know what I mean? How long has it been since you've been able to just sit back for like a whole day where your kid wasn't sick and just cuddle on the couch or in bed with him and have that lazy, we're eating junk food day? I mean, I'm not saying you have to feed your kid junk food. I'm just saying, like, I'm trying to give examples of, like, we wish we were able to do these things that we're not able to do because our lives are busy. And try to find a positive right now of being able to find the moments to do this. And just like we tend to always say, when you're having fun, time passes by a lot faster, right? And the more upset we are, the shorter this time will be. So in some sense, not obviously all of this, because this is obviously a glass half empty kind of situation in so many ways, but we got to find the glass half full moments within the situation and find happiness, joy, you know, fun, all these things. Right now, I'm going to finish up this video and I'm going to go play ball with these boogers over here. And we're going to play frisbee, we're going to play ball, and we're going to use a, what's it called, skipping rope, and we're going to have some fun. And I'm just going to enjoy that for a moment with my children and with my goose before we go home and I go and work on my homework, since I do go to college online. And I will care for my husband because he needs me. And I will care for my children because I am their mother and I love them. But I'm going to take a minute here. And I'm not going to think about the virus. I'm not going to think about anything that's bad. I'm not going to think about the financial struggles that we're facing. I'm not going to think about all that bad stuff right now because I'm able to just have a moment to enjoy my babies. And I just recommend that you guys find a moment to enjoy something that means so much to you too. Anyways, enough with the lecturing, right, Bert? Right? Enough with the melodramatic moment. Pretty bird, are you ready? Are you ready to say bye-bye? All right, let's go find your brother and sister so we can do our bye-bye thing, okay? Do you want to go? You want to go quick? You want to go quick? You want to go quick? Do you want to go quick? Come on. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty. Hey guys, are you ready to say bye to the pretty bird flock online? Come here. All right, come here, guys. All right, stop. Come here, pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Hey.
Alrighty, guys, here you go. All right, so we set up a GoFundMe page. If you want to help us during these difficult times, and you want to help feed that silly goose over there who's munching down on all those veggies and that kale and all that other stuff, which we are purchasing now more because we are going outside less, then you can find a link to the GoFundMe page underneath the last video, and you will have one under this video very shortly. And we will appreciate anything if you're able or willing to help. But if you are unable to help us out or to, support Pretty Bird in a monetary way, there are other ways. Dee.
Huh?
There are other ways you can help us out, which is how, Boots?
Subscribe, comment,
And
share, and like.
that's right. And what will that do for us? It will make us...
It'll make us happy.
That's right. And it'll help us share our silly goose with more people who are currently at home, sad, alone, bored. Because she's a silly goose. Right, Boots? Right, Boots? Goose, goose. Bye, bird. Okay, say bye-bye, everybody. Say bye-bye, everybody. Alrighty, guys.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, bird.